Hey guys, Claire here from AMDS. Now this week we're going to look at one of our larger machines. This is the Prentice XM125. Let's take a look around. Now the overall footprint of this machine is quite large, as you can see. You do have a 1250mm turntable on the inside, which makes it suitable for large parts that need cleaning. Over here, have a bit of a look around. So as you can see, it's definitely a big step up from the XM50. Now opening it up, we'll have a look on the inside. Now you have your turntable here. This door opens right up to allow you in. You do have your lip here, which allows for you to have overhead cranes and jibs being able to drop your parts and equipment straight in here, which makes for ease of cleaning. Again, another optional parts basket that we have available as well. We've got all your jets along here. Now this machine has a 5.5 kilowatt pump and three 3.5 kilowatt heating elements, which drive 470 solutions of hot water through per minute. You've got your removable filter screen, as you can see here, as well as 3 other access points to access the tank to make for ease of cleaning. Moving around to the side here, you do have your oil skimmer here, which is stainless steel, and as we discussed in the last video, it skims the oil obviously out of your solution in your tank, giving you more longevity for the solution that's actually in your tank, making you require changing less often. We've got very much the same sort of setup here. Power on, heater on, your low water sensor and alarm, your emergency stop, your start and stop buttons for your wash, to jog your turntable, and your 2 Omron timers here as well. Now, the same as the XM50, you do have a 7-day timer in here. And one thing I also wanted to point out about this machine is that you do have an easily accessible greasing nipple here, making for greasing the machine a lot easier. And you've got your bore drain down here, obviously for ease of drainage for your solution out of your tank. Now the parts washers across the Prentice range all do have a 12-month warranty for your peace of mind. Mechanically, if anything goes wrong, we are there for support, and we do have spare parts on hand available should you need them. Now with this machine obviously being a much larger one, the XM125 is designed for larger scale operations, for workshops that have a lot more space and are working on larger parts. So for your automotive, your earth moving, your mining, or your large scale, this would be perfectly suited. And you do have the cutout area, as we discussed earlier, in the roof, so you can just bring your overhead crane straight in and drop your parts straight in to make for ease, saving that heavy lifting. Thanks for watching, and if you guys have any inquiries or any other questions, feel free to reach out to us here at AMDS.